We're Jenna and Jeremy.
In August 2020, we bought an RV.
In September 2020, we sold everything and hit the road full time.
Follow our adventures as we explore more of our incredible planet Earth.
Don't forget to press that subscribe button and turn on post notifications for weekly travel videos.
You can find us on Instagram at Quench Your Adventure. Now on to the good stuff. If you missed the last one, it's titled 6 Places You May Not Have Heard of in Montana, and I think it's pretty neat, so check it out by clicking right up here.
To preface this one, we visited Glacier National Park for 2 days back in late June 2018 on a road trip out of Calgary, Alberta, Canada. That was before we took many videos, but I did actually make a video about that trip if you'd like to check it out.
This time, being in the RV and working remotely, we have a bit more flexibility, but the cell service outside of Glacier was spottier than anticipated, the boondocking opportunities are very limited, and the air quality in this region was consistently worsening due to the many wildfires.
That said, we spent just 24 hours here and made a big decision to cut Montana short, skip completely over northern Idaho, and drive about 11 hours towards Seattle, Washington.
All right, so we're entering through West Glacier on Wednesday, July 28th, and it's quite busy as expected. We learned that RVs and any vehicle over, I think 24 feet, are not permitted on the main section of the famous Going to the Sun Road. Kind of a bummer because this road is epic and allows you to reach Logan Pass where a lot of sweet hiking trails begin.
We decided to just explore the river that runs along the road and into the lake. I don't even know what it's called, but it has some of the most beautiful sections of river we've ever seen. We found a small boardwalk overlooking some beautiful falls and really cool rocks. Should Jeremy jump into this beautiful goodness? Ooh, it's so pretty here. Woo! Is it so cold?
It's so cold.
Oh my gosh, this thing. I'm like a penguin. I can barely move. Jeremy, how tight is it on you?
Oh, it's so tight. We should have video putting them on.
Yeah, let's take a video of us taking them off.
Let's get down to business.
So this is kind of slippery.
How are you gonna jump?
It's right here.
Really tight.
It's so tight, yeah.
I feel
Oh
like
my gosh,
we should
it's
fix this.
so beautiful though. All right, you ready?
You go first.
You ready? Set.
Oh my god!
You got it. And then swim over there.
Okay, please get me cold!
It's good, it's good. You got it, come on.
Oh my god!
It's cool, you got it. Yes! Nice, swim that way, you're good. Yeah! Woo! Woo-hoo-hoo! That's steep right there too.
Be careful!
That one feels high. Jumping in the river with wetsuits was not part of the plan at all, but spontaneity is such a huge part of what makes RV life so exciting. Time to find somewhere to park for the night. We drove back out the west entrance and around to the Maria's Pass Obelisk Rest area that's listed on Campendium. It was pretty quiet and got us about a third of the way around to our morning destination, the mini glacier part of the park. The road was being worked on, so it looked like this for much of the way.
Oh my gosh, you guys, a freaking grizzly bear. Holy buckets. A grizzly bear. I cannot wait to show you this sucker on the camera. Oh, what is, oh.
Just drove around the entire park to get to this trailhead to hike the Iceberg Trail, and it says it's closed to all travel. Kind of a bummer. We're pretty sure it was closed due to a lot of bear activity, which we ended up experiencing right here from the trailhead. Afterwards, we took a stroll around the Fisher Cap Lake and the Swift Current Lake. The views are beautiful pretty much everywhere here in Glacier, and we're just stoked to be here for a second time.
That wraps up our 24 hours in Glacier National Park. It's time to head west. We're taking what we hope to be a quieter, more scenic route that stops at the Kootenai Falls Suspension Bridge in northwestern Montana.
So we've been driving predominantly from Montana to Washington, and the air quality just keeps getting worse. I keep checking it in the weather app on the iPhone, and right now it is 268. I've never seen that in a place I've been. That's double the worst we'd seen previously. We're here in Athol, Idaho, and it is 100 degrees with a high of 102.
Oh no. Dang guys, this is sad and really bad. Like, it is just so dark and smoky and ashy.
Thanks for watching, everybody. Hope you enjoyed the video. Like it, and please stay tuned for some great adventures from our 2 months in Washington State.